Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GPU configuration warning for DaVinci Resolve 19. So DaVinci Resolve 19 is a video editor platform. For step 1, launch the application on your computer. Step 2, go to preferences. This can be found for the top left on macOS and for Windows. So select preferences, and step 3, navigate to the memory and GPU tab. Make sure you click on that one right there and look under GPU section. Make sure GPU processing mode is set to either auto, CUDA, or OpenCL. Depending on your GPU, if it's NVIDIA, go for CUDA, AMD, and Intel should be OpenCL. Now, step 5, manually select GPU if needed. If auto mode is not working, uncheck auto and manually select your GPU from the list. Now, step 6, save and restart. And basically, that should fix it. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.